tip your server generously. Tip your server generously. The stickers are in. Go get one on the Etsy shop. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another weekend tip count. I know it's been a little minute, but y'all, it is Father's Day weekend and I'm just so hyped because I'm so ready to get this money. Mother's Day weekend I made $474. Well, Mother's Day, that's Sunday, I made $474, and so I'm going for 500 again. That's my goal. But today is Friday. I do have last night's tips, and then I'll show you tonight and tomorrow and Sunday, and then let's see if we can make more this weekend than we did that weekend. So I have our tips from last night. I didn't count them yet. I didn't even organize them for real. I wanted to make this video last night, but I was so tired and just not in the mood. But here we are today. Okay, so last night I bartended. The restaurant I'm currently at, for whatever reason, they have 2 bartenders on Thursday. So the first half of my shift I split tips with that bartender, and then the next half I just made that money by myself. She went home. So made 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 5, 95, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 127. I'll take it, you know. Obviously, if I would have bartended by myself, I would have made a lot more, probably over 200, but that is okay. Because last week when I bartended, I made like 70, and the week before that, I made 40. So we'll take this. I gotta go because I gotta be at work in an hour, and I gotta stop for some food, y'all. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. If you are a server, y'all, make sure you regulate your eating habits. I know we have kind of an irregular schedule. A lot of people are getting off work right now. It's about to be 5 o'clock. I'm going into work. But my eating habits are so trash right now, and so be better than me. Eat 3 times a day with snacks in between. I gotta go, and I will see you guys tonight. What's up, guys? Welcome back. What's today? Sunday. So I have last night's tips, and I didn't come on here Friday night because I literally made $5 in cash. So for Friday, I made $138.50 in credit card tips, and I just got a $5 bill in cash. That's the only cash that I got. So that is $143.50 for Friday. And then Saturday I made $198.25 in credit card tips, and then cash I made $20, $40, $50, $65, $66. So 64. I made $264 on $264.25 last night. Today is Father's Day, and I'm going for 500. I got very close on Mother's Day, and at the end of this I'll show you guys my stats for Easter weekend, Mother's Day, and Father's Day, so you can kind of see like what I made in comparison to the holidays. I'm about to get changed. I already did my makeup for the day. I'm about to head out and get some coffee and head to work. All right, y'all, see you tonight. What is up? Welcome back. 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 It has been a long day. Honestly, I'm not gonna waste too much time on here. This is the money. Let's count. 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 50, 65, 75, 80. So I made $3.80 today. I'm not gonna lie. I was a little bit salty. Just a little bit disappointed because I set a goal. You know what I'm saying? I set a goal and I'm $120 off from that goal. And I was not expecting that. You know what I'm saying? Nonetheless, I am grateful. I am very grateful. There are so many different factors that tie into your tips, including how many tables you have, the size of those tables. So like if you can only sit 2 people at your table versus if you could sit 9 people at your table, you know, like that factors in. Also, like 2 people at a table versus 9 people at a table, those 2 people at a table may sit there for, you know, 45-50 minutes and get up, whereas those 9 people may sit there for 2 hours and be finished at an hour and a half and sit there another 30 minutes just talking. And so a lot of different things factor into the tips, but all in all, it was a good day. So I wasn't the only one that worked all day. Not everybody worked all day, but there were some other servers that did work open to close, and I asked them if I could share their tip numbers with you guys, just so you could see it's not just me. Like, I'm not just a superstar server and, you know, like I'm the exception and only I can make this type of money. Like, you can make this type of money too, okay? So here are my coworkers. And here are their numbers. I'll give you guys a second to look at it. But like I said, there are a lot of different factors that go into, you know, how much money you make at a given period of time. Again, these are our Father's Day numbers, and I would say that any of these servers will tell you, like, working all day is not for the weak. Like, you don't really get any breaks. I mean, you have to find time to take a break, but it's very quick. You are on your feet all day. Like, you're not going to sit down for 10 to 12 hours. You're carrying heavy trays. You just have a lot going on, and there's a lot of people around you. With that being said, here are well, first I'll show you my holiday numbers. Here's Easter Saturday, Mother's Day, and Father's Day. And then here are my numbers from the weekend. And yeah, I'm going to bed, y'all. I am so tired. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, the Tip Your Server stickers are in. They are now available. I mean, they've been available, but they are like available on my Etsy shop. Tip Your Server generously. Tip your server generously. The stickers are in. Go get one on the Etsy shop. They're on sale right now. They're like, I don't even know. Go get one, okay? Like, represent. If this channel has been beneficial to you in any way, feel free to support the channel by going to get your Tip Your Server generously sticker. That is all. I'm going to bed. I will see you guys next time in the next tip count, and thanks again for watching. Bye.